All right, guys, we've got the Scum Absorber for hot tub 2-pack. Let's go ahead and get these out, and then we're actually going to put them in my hot tub. So these things are very cool. They're vacuum packed here. They're 2 little turtles. And so basically all we do here is we literally set these in the hot tub, and they automatically go to work. You just let them float in the hot tub. They automatically soak up spa scum. And basically, once they're kind of soaked up with spa scum, take them out, squeeze them out real quick, rinse them, put them back in. These things are reusable. And, you know, with hot tubs, you want automated ways of just keeping it cleaner. So you got your filter, you got all the, you know, chemical stuff that you add to it. You need these because these just help keep that soap scum, that spa scum off the top. And keep everything cleaner, so you don't need to do the overhauls as often. Let's go try this in the hot tub right now. All right, guys, so we are out here in the hot tub, and you can see these things will just kind of sponge up, and all they do is basically just float around that hot tub, soaking up soap scum or spa scum so it doesn't stick to the edges, and it just kind of keeps the surface very clean. And the thing about it is, once they're kind of absorbed with a lot of soap scum or spa scum, sorry, I keep saying that, you can just wring them out, rinse them off, and put them back in. So these things are reusable. You know, keep your hot tub clean. I like the cool little turtle thing. Straight up, these are a vibe. Highly recommend.